Next pose, you need 2 blocks. First I will show you with the block. After that I will show you without block. Now see how to keep the block here straight. One will be down and one will be cross. And take a navel 3/4 of the block. It means up. Now slowly see what I will do. Put it forward. Now I will take my right leg, bend it here, cross here. Not cross, make it straight. Not cross here. Make it here, total out. Then with the left hand I will catch my left leg, slowly rotate, and I will catch my wrist and make it straight. Look up here, make it straight. Now if you can't, so your left hand down with the right hand, just try to catch it here. Anyhow, find the balance. If possible, you can fix your feet here. Okay. Now after that you can remove the block. I will show you how you can remove the block on her. Okay, try everyone. Yeah, knee will forward. Now see, take the right knee out. See here, not cross, make it straight. Then with the right hand, take it up. Catch the ankle or toe. Look up slowly. Then if possible, try to hand straight. Okay. Now try to make your legs straight, so automatically you will feel that your body weight is not on the block. Then you can slowly remove it here. Okay. Try everyone. 6, 5, stay there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Take your hands down. Sit in child pose and bend. Sit in child pose. Go down and stay there. 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come up. Chain the leg. Yeah. Chain the leg. Another side. Take it forward. Yeah. Now, first with the left hand, catch the right ankle or toe. Then use your left hand, catch it here. Look up and stay there. If possible, try to right leg straight, both hands straight. Look up to the ceiling. 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly exhale, hands down, sit in child pose. Go down and stay there. 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come back. Yeah. Now we'll do for twisting. Now in this we will do 4 poses together. So you follow me. First you can see here, down dog. Then right leg forward in between your leg, left knee down. So both leg 90-degree cross. Inhale, hands up. Now put your left shoulder to the right knee here. Then see, bend the elbow. Put your left hand inside, but keep bending the elbow. Straight can't go inside. So you have to bend it. Then take it here. Catch the wrist at the back. Now left leg straight. Make it straight here. Then slowly take the body weight on the right leg and slowly come forward. Maintain balance here. Then left leg forward. Change the leg. Then slowly right leg up here and find the balance. Lift up straight. Then again exhale, take it down. Then again take it left leg back, put your knee down here. Inhale, come up, and exhale. Got it, everyone? So you have to do down to up, then up to down without releasing your hand. Now, how you can catch? You can catch your fingertips or you can catch your wrist like this. Okay, try everyone. Follow everyone slowly, slowly. Be careful to the knee joint. Down, down, knee zone. Okay, so all of you come in the Down dog position. Now right leg forward in between your hand. Left leg down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Now twist to the right side. Put your left shoulder to the right knee. Catch the wrist. Yep. Now left toe tuck in. Left leg straight. First stay there. Find the balance. Then slowly take a body weight forward and left leg up. Maintain balance. Yeah. Maintain balance. So you can stay there here. Now take a left leg down. Slowly right leg up. Maintain balance. Maintain balance. Now if possible, you can take your leg same like Garudasana. Yeah, slide there. Chin. Here like this, same like Garudasana, and find the balance. Then again slowly come up. Exhale down, left leg. Right leg, left leg, take it back. Then slowly left knee down and hands up. Keep doing everyone. Change the other side. Do it. Nin zone. Yeah, down dog. And change another side. If I am fast, you can pause my video. Then you can try again. Okay. Slowly twist. Take your own time. Zoom, zoom. Now see here. Catch the wrist. Okay, take it up. Maintain balance. Slowly, slowly. Be careful with the knee joint. Now slowly take a right leg down and take the dumbbell. Slowly come up. Find the balance. See how she gets. Okay, now slowly you can do Garudasana. Take it there. Same like Garudasana. Then again slowly come up. Then slowly take it down. Right leg, take it back. Then knee down, inhale, and slowly, again slowly exhale, hug your knee like this. Okay. You can take your own time. You can pause the video and try one more time. Okay, now we change. See here. Now see, we will do camel pose, but Kapotasana, but with variation. Now see, we'll take one leg here like this. So here, both knee will be one line. Now, if you can't, so you can take your left leg little forward. Okay, so it will look cross. See here, if left leg is forward, then it will be easy. But if left leg is back side, then it will be little difficult. Okay, so you can do which one is comfortable for you. Both knee in one line, it is little difficult, and one leg little forward, so it will look cross. So this is little easy. Okay, so now I show you. So right now I take right leg forward and little cross. I'm doing first easy one. Then inhale, then exhale. Slowly how to go down. Put it down here. Then look on the mat. After that, you can try to catch the ankle. So I show on her. Look here, everyone. Yep. Then slowly inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, slowly take it down. Now try to catch your ankle if possible. And you have to stay there. Okay, try everyone, see you can catch your ankle and maintain balance. Okay, slowly relax them. Sit in side pose and there. Okay, try everyone, you can take your own time, slowly, slowly. And try to hold it. 5 breath. Look on the mat. Okay, Luigi. Okay, if you've done one side, you can change another side or pause the video and continue. Do it again. Okay, go down. Yeah, catch your ankle. Find the balance and stay there. And hold it as long as possible. You can also try. And be careful to your lower back. Look on the mat.
sit in child pose. Okay, after doing you have to sit in child pose. You can also few seconds relax and we'll do one more. Okay. Now we'll do one more bending. Now see in this, first you have to sit on your heel. Okay, sit not like Vajrasana, sit on your heel. Then take your one leg back side. Now not cross, just behind your left hip. Then with the left hand catch it here. Then slowly see, I will drop my elbow down. Then take the elbow up, rotate. Then after that with the right hand catch the left leg. Then slowly take it straight if possible. Make it straight as much as possible. Look up and stay there, find the balance. Then slowly relax. Okay? So I show on her one more time. So what you have to do first you have to sit on the both heel. Then take your left leg back. And left knee will be straight, go back to the left hip, not cross. Then if you can't balance, support with the right hand on the block. Then with the left hand catch the toe and rotate your shoulder. Then after that, if possible, you can use your both hand. Then you can hand straight. Very nice. Okay, leg straight, hand straight, and find the balance as much as possible. Okay, you can stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. Then again slowly sit in child pose. Sit down. You can also try, or you can sit in child pose. Then after that we change the leg. Okay, slowly come up, change the leg, do it change. So now left leg forward and left leg and right leg will be back. Rotate the shoulder and slowly try to catch and maintain balance. In the end, if possible, both hands straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, inhale and exhale, sit in side pose. Get up, stretch down and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now slowly come up. Now I show you one more, it will be twisting. See, first take your both heel wider, double than your shoulder. Then put your left, with your left hand catch the right ankle. Then with the right hand try to catch it here. Now see, hand straight, take it here. Then slowly go down, and try to catch your ankle. Then look up straight to the ceiling. Okay, see how you can support. Take your both feet, double than your shoulder. Then take your left hand to the right side. Now, see, now take the first body straight. Now I will press her left shoulder with my right knee. Then just press and slowly I will help to catch the ankle and stay there. Very nice. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up, inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale, change to the left side. All of you can take your own time. If I am fast, you can pause the video and do your practice and stay there. Because I know this is very advanced, difficult to do in 1 minute or 2 minutes. It will take a long time. So you can pause the video and you can practice. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up here and slowly exhale. Now just relax your hand there.